Hey guys, it's Sahasra. I'm from Blue Nara. Today we are going to do some cube number basics in a few seconds. What is a cube number? A cube number is a number multiplied by itself 3 times. This can also be called a number cubed. The symbol for cubed is 3, and see that it's high up in the air? Example 1. Number 2 cubed equals 2 times 2 times 2. That equals 8. So 8 is a cube number. Then we get to example 2. 3 cubed equals 3 times 3 times 3. So 27 is a cube number. Example 3. 5 cubed. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. So 125 is a cube number. These are little like square numbers, and you can go watch my video on them, but you gotta multiply these 3 times instead of 2. Here are some steps for finding a cube number. Here we have 2 times 2 times 2. 2, 1. There's 2 and 3. So 3 2s, and that equals 8. Here we will write it as 2 cubed equals 8. Cube is often written as a little 3 like this. The little 3 says the number appears 3 times in multiplication. 2 cubed equals to 8. 8 is a cube number of 2. Real examples of cubes. A cube is a three-dimensional figure with equal sides, and each side is the cube root of the volume. You multiply the length by the width and also by the depth. Example 1. Here, this is 1. Top is also 1, and this is also 1. So 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1 cubed. Example 2. This is 2. This is 2, and this is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 also equals 2 cubed. Cube from 0 to 6. 0 cubed equals 0 times 0 times 0 equals 0. 1 cubed equals 1 times 1 times 1, and that equals 1. 2 cubed equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. 6 cubed. 6 times 6 times 6 equals 216. Negative numbers. We can also cube negative numbers. What happens when we cube minus cubed by 3? Example 1. Minus 5 times minus 5 times minus 5 equals minus 125. Example number 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 equals minus 8. That was so interesting. When we cube a negative number, we get a negative result. Cube a negative number is just the same as cubing a positive number. Minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 equals minus 8. Minus 5 times minus 5 times minus 5 equals minus 125. See? Negative answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.